Oh.
She actually was able to see someone, and I just couldn't imagine the way she was feeling inside there, dark, not able to see anybody. Now an orphan, she's living with her cousins, great aunts, and grandmother. I'm very happy to see my brother because I had that experience. I was a paramedic for 30 years, and this is the work I've ever seen since in my whole 30 years of being a paramedic, and it's very traumatizing for the ambulance crews that worked on the patient.
A 15-year-old girl was trapped in the wreck before being had binge drinking. And I was caught in his son.
You did that really well. How's your new toy, buddy?
It's alright. I don't know what it's attached to though. It moves.
Hi.
Mummy. Apparently I'm Ebis. Joshy.
Not Ebis. Emo.
Emobis. Emobis.
Hello.
You sound like a whale.